Between the bursts of rain and pollen dumps brought on every spring, your car may very well be covered in dust, debris, and water stains that don't just rinse off with a spray of the garden hose. Car cleaning kits are not just the path to a shinier hood. With the right tools and solutions, you can keep it clean for longer with less maintenance. While car wash stations can charge an extra dime for a lesser wash, car detailing kits let you clean your vehicle exactly to your liking. These kits are packed with essential tools to wash and wax your vehicle and can include extra accessories that really make your car shine. 1. Relentless Drive Car Wash Kit. If you're starting from the ground up and need an all-in-one kit on a budget, you won't find a better solution than the Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Kit. This 20-piece kit includes nearly every tool, accessory, and cleaner you'll need to make your car look good as new, short of a car vacuum. Relentless Drives had the largest selection of cleaning tools and accessories, including a microfiber air vent cleaner and cleaning gel, which works like silly putty to pick up dirt and dust in hard-to-clean spaces. And the best part is all the tools come packed inside a well-built carrying case. 2. Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit. This classic wash and wax kit has all the basics you'll need to detail everything from the interior console to the wheels. The 8-piece set includes wax, detailer mist, wheel and tire cleaner, interior detailer cleaner and car wash shampoo and conditioner. It also comes with a sponge, microfiber towel and foam applicator pad to make it easy to apply each cleaner. Online reviewers particularly liked how well the cleaners worked and the quality of the products. While it doesn't come with absolutely everything you'll need for an extra deep clean, like a tire brush, it's a solid option for those who aren't looking to spend as much money but still get a quality job done. 3. Chemical Guys 20-piece Arsenal Builder. The Chemical Guys 20-piece Arsenal Builder Wash Kit is the one kit to clean, condition, protect and shine every single surface, material and finish on every kind of vehicle. An innovative and high-quality product lineup has earned the California-based company a dedicated following, and the comprehensive kit packs everything from heavy-duty cleaners to water-repellent fabric coatings. The Arsenal Builder Wash Kit also includes several helpful accessories. The bucket and cyclone dirt filter helps keep soapy water clean and keeps grime off your microfiber towels and washing mitt. Applicators make waxing easy, and the short handle brush has the right kind of bristles where other brushes don't. 4. Armor All Ultimate Detailing Kit. The Armor All Ultimate Detailing Kit is equipped with the basics for both an interior and exterior wash. Its extra shield glass, wheel, and tire cleaners are formulated with protective sealants that block dirt and grime buildup. Despite not including a foam gun, this auto detailing kit has a wash mitt and a few microfiber towels to aid with washing and drying. The interior detailing spray can be used on plastic, vinyl, and rubber. 5. Adams Arsenal Builder. If you want to be prepared for any car cleaning situation, one of the Adams Arsenal Builder's various items can do the trick. Not only does this kit come included with soap and wax, but it's also equipped with miscellaneous drying and detailing tools, too. Unlike other detailing kits, the Arsenal Builder includes an interior cleaning spray suitable for dashboards, upholstery, and more. To keep your car smelling fresh long after a wash, this kit offers pre-wrapped air fresheners. 6. Turtle Wax Ultimate Carcare Kit. Turtle Wax has come a long way since it introduced the first liquid car wax in 1944, and the current product lineup is well represented in this affordable, easy-to-use 10-piece kit. Tools and products for interior and exterior are included here, along with microfiber towels and foam applicators. The included scratch and swirl remover preps the vehicle finish, and wax and dry spray wax leaves a durable shine in a single step. Dash and glass cleaner and inside and out protectant team up for a clean cabin and clear views, and Odor X eliminates foul interior odors. A wet and black tire dressing is a classic finishing touch to any detailing job.